let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Whiskey's hair again. Alright, this is how the packaging is looking. Alright, so the wig is on the inside. First thing I see, I'm gonna get into it in a few. But let's see the goodies I got. I got a bonnet. It's nice. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got some elastic bands and these tapes for your wig. Also got this branded elastic headband, a pair of lashes, this scrunchie, a edge brush and comb, and finally I got this drawstring bag, which is branded Whiskey's. All right, love that because this is great for storage. So let's get into the wig of the day, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the wig we're working with for today. It's the Victoria ready to go glueless wig. It's an upgraded style, and it's a 13x6 HD lace front. It's already pre-customized and styled for you guys, fully. This is a glueless wig. Let me tell you why it's such a lovely upgrade. It's pre-styled. As you can see, that looks so good. It's pre-braided. All right, you got pre-baby hairs. Okay, it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked. You see how natural that looks. And it's laid. The thing is fully styled for you already, and I absolutely love that. These tapes will come in handy for this because, as I said, it's a glueless wig. It's a 13x6 glueless wig. It's a wear and go. So that this is perfect for my beginners. You're gonna look as if you went to the salon when you really didn't. You just got your wig package and you popped it on yourself. And it's glueless, but it's gonna look like it's melted on your head. So I love that. Let me talk about the hair. The hair is so nice. It's a nice, like, tight wavy texture, and it's so full. I'm gonna be sure to put the density in the description box, but this feels like at least 200% density. Like, it feels so good. It's so full. It's 24 inches long, by the way. Everything will be listed down below in terms of specifications, so please be sure to check down below. But I'm in awe. Like, I need you guys to see how well this is gonna blend down on your scalp. Like, that HD lace, they don't play. And Whiskey's, I can tell you for sure, Whiskey's does carry really great quality wigs. So I am so excited to go ahead and jump into this. But before I do that, let me show you a little bit more about the inside of the construction of the cap. It has an adjustable elastic band, all right, to keep it snugged on your head, and a total of 3 combs, all right, and there are 2 adjustable straps in the very back of the cap. I love to crisscross this so that you have the ultimate security. So yeah, that's how that looks. Let's go ahead and do this very quick and easy installation. Okay, this is how it looks once I go ahead and slip it on. Already it is so snugged because of the way I know I did the elastic band in the back. It feels great. All right, so all I need to do, as you can see, I need to cut down from the sides because it's a little bit too long. That's how that looks. The pluck work on this, excuse my nail, guys, I'm gonna get it fixed soon, but oh my god, that's immaculate. What? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is gonna be so perfect for my people who just, like, you want your wig to just look so natural and like top tier. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Right off the bat, I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna cut away the excess lace. Just take your time to do this so you don't cut away any of the hair that you don't want to actually cut away.
Let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care.
This is how it looks right after I cut away the excesses. It looks like it's already installed. Nothing is holding this down. No adhesive. Isn't that perfect? That's just perfect. So all I need to do now is get my tapes, and that's what I'm gonna use on the sides to keep it laid. And then I'm gonna fix the swoops. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Let's get to it. I'm gonna stick this to the lace, and then I'm gonna just get to peeling away the blue portion. So that's how it looking so far. So now I just need to fix the swoops, and I'm just gonna use the tiniest bit of gel to get that back in formation, and that's gonna be it for this installation. Can you believe how easy this is? This is so easy. I don't want to hear none of you guys be like, I can't install a wig anymore. I don't want to hear it. I really don't want to hear it, because this is perfect. This is too easy. And the thing is, you know what gets me? It looks so complex. Like, you just see somebody in this hairstyle and be like, I don't have the time to do something like this. But then you have Westkiss, a company like Westkiss, that will do the work for you and just ship it to you in a box, and all you have to do is worry about slipping it on. Literally. Come on. Fixing back the swoop right here is really no biggie. Just the tiniest bit of work to worry about. Like, and this is already like, and listen, I know how annoying it can be trying to get like the parting right and everything in the center here, getting these areas to be equal, like with how the distance that you're parting it. Like, I know, because I've attempted to do it before, and it takes time. So having a company that can do this for you and just ship it to you and slip it on and wear it is a 10. A 10, guys. That is it. And it's not the first time I'm showing you guys a wig like this, similar to like this same style and everything that's Clueless. I know, but I feel like each and every company has their different little thing to them. So this one, I can tell you for sure, the density on this wig, the density on this is beautiful. The hair feels great. Everything looks flawless. That HD lace, 10 out of 10. Mwah. Chef's kiss. I'll be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, because you can't tell me nothing. What? This looks like a proper glue install, and it's not. What? Yeah. Westkiss, you did it. Love it. All the specifications will be listed down below, as I said before, guys, so please go ahead and check it out. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or anybody else, everything, the link and everything that you need to know will be down below. If there are any codes, any discount codes, any sale going on, that will be listed, so please check it out. Shout out to Westkiss here once more for today's bomb wig look. Your girl is happy, okay? Happy. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.